Talk that. Talk that.
I'm from the Bronx.
Yeah, she's not messing around. Do not. Cut a bitch.
When did you get started doing drag?
In the early 90s.
Okay.
About a year after you were born, as we mentioned earlier. And it was a revolution inside of me. It was the most liberating thing I could have ever. It started as an idea, and I just knew that I had to do it. And I had been very shamed growing up in the Bronx and being effeminate. And then I went to college and was told if I was going to be an actor, I had to butch up. So this was just me embracing everything I'd been taught to not like about myself and just really celebrating it.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
If you could tell somebody at home who's maybe feeling something similar, if you could give them one piece of advice, what would you tell them?
That there's a big world out there, and there's lots of people who are ready to embrace them and celebrate them, and that we create our lives. And that's what drag taught me. As I was creating Coco, I realized, oh, life isn't just about creating this character. This is like a lesson for me, Clinton, to celebrate that I can create my life, and that they have that power as well.
That's beautiful.
If I could do this, listen, kids,
you can do anything.
at 3 in the afternoon.
Well, that's such a powerful message that, you know, the power to, like you said, kind of manifest and curate what you want in your life.
Well,
I mean,
look at what, and you've all created this together. So.
I know.
Beautiful moment.
Yeah.
Stop. Can you tell everyone how they can find you?
At my website, cocopru.com, or on Facebook, or Twitter, or Tumblr, or Instagram, all those places.
Everywhere.
But if people want to come see my shows, they really should go and join my email list at my website, cocopru.com.
And you have a bunch of shows. You have shows coming up.
I leave for Spain tomorrow for vacation.
Incredible.
But then
Vacay.
in August, I'll be on the East Coast in Ogunquit, P-Town for a week, and I'm doing the Berkshires. Beautiful little hotel. Yeah.
Fun. Well, if you want to get tickets. It'll be the best show of your life. And go follow, give her love, and thank you for watching, everyone. Thank you for coming on the show.
Thank you, and thank you.
Okay, bye, y'all.